Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create dependent drop-down list in Excel. So for this, we will go in Excel workbook, and we will take one example. In the first row, we are having the name of the country and the cities which are in this country. So in India, the cities are Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So whenever I write the country here, it should display in this cell only the cities which related to that country. Okay. So we want to do this type of formatting. How is it possible? So first of all, select the entire range, create from selection, activate top row, click OK. Now activate A9. Go in data validation, activate list from here and select this uh, first row in which the country name is there. Click OK. So you can see the country name is active. Now in this B9, it should only display the cities which are in this country. Let's say if I activate Malaysia, so it should only display here the cities which are in Malaysia. Okay, so how we can do this? Again, go in data validation, activate list from here, source, click E9, and just simple write down indirect. Close the brackets, click OK, done, and now you see. So it displays the cities which are in this country: Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru, Kuching. Let's say if I do it India, does it work well? Quite good. China, Beijing. So this is how dependent drop-down list can be created in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Excel. Please refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please share and like my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.